Hey guys, Ed here. Today we have this 2013 Hyundai Veloster, and in this quick video I'll show you how to replace your tail light bulbs. So in order to get to our tail light bulbs, we need to remove our tail lights. So let's open the trunk, and here we have two screws. You can use Phillips screwdriver or 10mm socket with a ratchet. I'm gonna use 10mm socket with a ratchet and remove these two screws. So let's do this. Alright, so I got my two screws out. They're right here. Next step, what we have to do, we have to pull on the light and get it out. Well, you're gonna use two hands, but don't pull it like this, okay, because you're gonna break clips which are inside in here. So I'll push it more so that you guys can see it. Like this. Okay, that's how we get it out. And here we have our bulbs. So whichever bulb you want to change, that's how you get it out. Take a bulb, pull it off with the fingers, replace with another one, and close the same way. Same thing goes here. Get it out. Okay, this one, if you will have to change it and pull it out, you just press on it, spin, and take it out. Same thing with the new one. You press on it and a little bit spin, and then it's gonna hold. So yeah, this is how you do this. Okay, and same way as with all other bulbs. So once you have replaced them, what you want to do, you want to make sure that this clip goes in here in this notch. So turn your bulb, turn your light, align. Make sure there are no gaps. Holes are aligned. Then you can slightly tap on the light. The clip goes in, and now just reinstall these two screws. So yeah, take a ratchet and just put the stuff back in. And that's it, guys. After you're done, you're done. So I hope this helps. If it does, please press like button and have a great day.